Hi, my name is Noam Levy from Sonicsmith, and I'm here to introduce you to the Squaver P1. The Squaver P1 is an analog audio-controlled synthesizer, complete with an audio-controlled oscillator, a voltage-controlled amplifier, a voltage-controlled filter, 2 envelope followers, 2 expression pedal inputs, a third audio input for ring modulation, 2 sub-voices that can be mixed along with the oscillator, 3 foot switches for live control, and a multitude of switches and CV inputs and outputs to create your own unique patches. At the beginning of the signal chain, we see our main input, where you can connect your electrical instruments, line level sources, or even dynamic microphones. You have a switchable high-pass filter and a continuously sweepable low-pass filter if you need any help with pitch tracking. You have a level meter to help you set up your input gain, and you can shift the envelope amount from completely positive to completely reversed. At any point, you're given access to pitch CV out, that's 1 volt per octave, envelope CV out, gate and trigger CV outputs, as well as an expression pedal CV output. We'll talk about that later. In the oscillator section, we can mix between the square wave and a sawtooth wave, adjust the pulse width modulation, blend in -1 and -2 sub-oscillator voices, and then you can transpose the oscillator from -2 to +2 octaves. And the harmony control lets you shift the semitones from -7 to +5 on an 8-note just intonation scale. Both the octave and harmony controls are accessed with a CV input, which has a through jack, so you can keep chaining other synthesizers with the same CV without the need for splitters. The VCF section includes a cutoff frequency control with its CV input, a resonance control, a filter shape switch lets you choose between high-pass, low-pass, or band-pass filters, and the bypass switch lets you bypass the filter completely if you have your own filter. You could use the Squaver P1 just as a filter effect on your own sources. All you have to do is move the source mix from 100% synthesizer to 100% source, and then make sure the switch that calls source mix is not on the post-VCF position, but on the pre-VCF position. Then the source is going to take on the VCF. The Squaver P1 has 3 switches that can apply the envelope to the VCA, VCF, and pulse width modulation, or any combination of the 3. And at the same time, you can use the envelope CV output to send the envelope CV to any other destination you might want. Just in case you're bored with your regular instrument dynamics, we have a separate audio input called Sidechain. With its own level meter and envelope follower, you can use it as an alternative envelope source and engage it with a dedicated foot switch in the right point in the song. The 2 other foot switches include the oscillator CV input to engage the arpeggiation in and out, and bypass, which is post-preamp. On the back panel, we see the main input through, the expression pedal that goes to the input filter, the sidechain input, the sidechain through, the output, and the other expression pedal input. That expression pedal can be assigned with a 4-position switch, either to the VCF, the octave shift, the harmony shift, or you can use the expression pedal CV output to patch it into any CV input you may want. The last feature I want to mention in this video is the ring modulation input. Here you can patch any external audio source to create the ring modulation effect, which is pretty extreme. This is it for now, but you can go to our website and subscribe to our mailing list. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we're going to post more videos soon with tips and tricks, tutorials, and cover versions for our favorite songs. So I'll see you in the next video.
You